Sometime early last year, I was watching the news and there was some sort of explosion at UNR. They lost a significant portion of their ability to serve. The impact of what the project had, it was immense. Tim Stafford and Frank Mueller, based in the Reno area, it was one of our scheduled dinners one night. Frank Mueller had some plans in his hand. He said, "Hey Jeff, we want you to look at something." And he broke out these plans and rough plans that Frank had worked on almost all night. We were kind of discussing what the capabilities were and whatnot, and trying to figure out who could do something like this in a 30-day period. From there, we took him over to Duke, the Countercraft division down in Houston, which is probably one of the most amazing group of individuals in this entire industry. Their skill for manufacturing, their in-house staff, CAD, Revit, project managers is some of the best I've ever dealt with.
When the UNR project came to us from Jeff Yates with Informed Marketing and Frank Mueller with Redesigned, we realized that we had a big job in front of us. We had 30 to 40 days to design, approve, fabricate, and install this project. The most difficult to overcome was to get everything to just line up properly.
We had 3 independent groups coming together and figuring this out. For us to come in and all coordinate something like this, it's unheard of. I don't know if there was any challenges other than time, and that didn't seem to be an issue on this. It turned out to be an amazing feat.
Communication was the key to our success in the UNR project.
And it all comes down to communication. And this is all, the success of this was communication and meeting those deadlines. And we were very happy with that. The ability of what Countercraft Duke can do in a 30-day period is what no other company I've seen in my entire lifetime, even out of this industry, can do. They're the best at what they do. It's a story to be told. To come in and do something in that short period of time is extremely remarkable.